Cleaning the mass airflow sensor, or MAF, on a Skoda Fabia 99 to 2007. Here's the MAF sensor housed in a unit between the intake pipe and the airbox. To clean the sensor, you just need to undo the two TS25 screws, one here at the top and another one at the bottom. You can of course take the whole unit out by sliding this clip down and removing the two screws to the airbox, which you may want to do if you feel you need to clean that out as well. Turn the power off to the unit and unclip the connection to the sensor by pulling forward on the little clip underneath, just here. Secure that to one side. And take out the screws. Hold the unit firmly and gently ease to one side, then the other to waggle the seal loose. Slowly and carefully withdraw the unit from the housing. Here's the sensor with the unit number or type number. You can see there's two Venturi orifice type openings where the air is meant to flow, with the farthest one being a hot wire type, I believe, and the nearest one being just a metal plate. And you want to be cleaning both these. If you examine these, you can see where the direction of flow passes through the device in an S-bend configuration, which I presume is to stabilise the flow over the sensor. If we turn the device over, we can see the part number, but from what I've seen, the sensor comes complete with the housing unit. To clean the unit, you want to put a cloth down, protect your hands with some gloves, and of course wear eye protection. Now it's important to clean these with specific mass airflow sensor cleaner that's designed to leave no residue on the sensor and is harmless to the internal components. Apply short gentle bursts on the sensor components about 10 to 15 times. And shake off any excess, and you might be able to see the dirt that you're removing in the liquid. Give the O-ring a good clean. You could have of course replaced this, but if you're going to do that you might as well replace the whole unit. As long as both surfaces are thoroughly clean, it should be okay. And this one's still a tight fit after 17 years of service. When you're happy you've done a thorough clean, then I'd recommend taking it inside and drying it out thoroughly. It's got to be completely dry before you reassemble it, which gives us time for a nice cup of tea. Carefully insert and refit the MAF sensor until it's securely seated, making a good seal on the unit mount. If you turn the sensor from left to right, it helps it seat properly. Then reinsert the screws and securely tighten. Refit the connector and away we go. The car should start with no bother at all. Job's a good one. And as I've previously tested the functioning of the MAF sensor before I cleaned it, I'll now do the test again to see if there's any difference in comparison to each other. Ambient temperature's about the same, or slightly higher, maybe 6 degrees. So from this test we're getting similar results to my previous before cleaning test, with the idle being around 2.3 volts rising steadily to 3.7 volts approximately. This is expected as the engine is running fine. If there was a change in the readings, then I would most likely have seen an improvement in the engine's running performance and fuel economy. Even though my engine has seen no change, I think it's still worth doing, as at least it eliminates any possibility that there's a fault there. It's also worth noting that problems may be down to vacuum air leaks, so that's something else you might feel you need to check. Anyway, I hope this helps you out guys, and as always, thank you for watching. A big thank you for all those that have subscribed, I really appreciate that, and if you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. Please like, share and comment in the comment section below. Thank you all for the video suggestions. I'll try and make my way through those that I can do. So until next time, bye for now.